Learning slides. The colors. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Ready? Repeat. Red, blue, yellow. What color are they? Green, orange, purple. What color are they? Repeat. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. What color are they? Repeat. Pink, white, black. What color are they? Repeat. Brown, gray, multicolor, rainbow. What color are they? Repeat. Black, brown, white, gray, multicolor, rainbow, pink. What color are they? Ready for the ultimate challenge? What color are they? Congratulations! Check out this free poster to help you practice the colors anytime. See the link in the description. For more fun resources to learn English, visit www.alphabetspace.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.